Hey everybody, this is Taco Tuesday, and today we're going to make a simple taco casserole. We have our onions, we have a white onion and a red onion chopped up. We have peppers, we have red, yellow and green peppers. This is going to be our topping, it's a biscuit mix. We have our taco seasoning for our meat, and then this is going to be our garnish. We have cheese, lettuce, tomato, green onion and black olive. And then we'll also top it with some sour cream. So let's begin. We're gonna warm up our pan. I always put a little bit of olive oil and I always put a pat of butter because it makes it taste better for me. So we'll get this. So our butter has melted into the olive oil. So the first thing we're gonna add is our onions. Again, that was a yellow onion and red onion. Get it all in there. We're going to let that saute for a few minutes. So we let our onion saute for a few minutes, and now we're going to add in our peppers. So we're going to saute our peppers and onions together for about a minute or two. Just let them get all sauteed in together. Okay, so now we're adding in ground turkey. Okay, so I've added 3 pounds of ground turkey, and we're gonna let this saute and cook the meat until it's tender. But look how pretty that is. See the green, the red, the yellow, and the onions? It just looks so delicious already. So we're gonna let this cook, get it all cooked down and everything, and then we'll go to our next step. Okay, so we have 3 pounds of the meat, and so I have two packets of taco seasoning and some of my own secret stuff. So we mix that in with the meat. I tell you, it smells delicious. I remember back in the day when people used to cook, and I used to always watch cooking shows, and they used to say, I wish I had smell-o-vision because this smells so good. And you just want the people watching it to smell it because it just smells so delicious. Okay, so we're gonna let this cook, let some of this water evaporate, and then we'll be back. Okay, so our meat is ready, and we're gonna spoon it into a greased casserole dish, and we're going to make an even layer. So I'm going to cheat a little bit, and I'm going to put me a little bit of cheese on first, just a little bit, just a little bit. Okay, so now we're going to pour our biscuit mix on top. Make this an even layer also. It's pretty much already an even layer. We're just going to spread it so it's evenly on here. Okay, now we've already preheated our oven to 350 degrees. So now we're going to put this in the oven and let it bake. Turn it on so I can see. Okay, so our casserole is ready. Let's get it out. So we have to let it sit for 10 minutes, and then we will put our toppings on. Okay, so our first topping is going to be our sour cream. So we're going to spread that out. Now we're going to top it with some lettuce. Let's try to get it all over evenly. Okay, then our tomatoes are next. Okay, I have a little bit of green onion, so I'm just going to toss sliced olives, black olives. If you like, if you don't like black olives, you don't have to put them on. And then a piece of resistance is our cheese. Put some shredded cheese on here. Okay, so now we're going to cut it. Look at that. Yummy, yummy. This is our blackberry blueberry lemonade. Everything is ready and we're ready to eat. Thanks for tuning in to Cooking and Creating with Auntie M. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you. Bye.